Hello everybody, today we will continue our lessons for SQL training for beginners. Let's start. Lesson 14. SQL count, average and sum functions. The count functions the count function returns the number of rows that matches a specified criteria. The average function returns the average value of numeric column. The sum or summation function returns the total sum of the numeric column. Count syntax. Select count column name from table name where condition. Average syntax. Select average column name from table name where condition. Sum syntax or summation. Select sum column name from table name where condition. We have the table product ID, product name, supplier ID, category ID, unit price. Count example. Select count product ID from products. The count 77 for the result. Average example. Select average price from products. This is the average. Sum example or summation example. Select sum quantity from order details. This is the result for the quantity. So we have these three functions. This three function is too important for any project you use. Don't forget to click the bell and subscribe to get any news. Thank you.